Welcome to your ultimate guide to kettlebells, the versatile tool that's shaping the world of fitness. Whether you're looking to lose weight, build muscle, or enhance your athletic performance, join us on a journey to uncover the secrets of this ancient fitness marvel. Originating from Russia over 300 years ago, kettlebells were not just weights but a measure of crops. It wasn't long before their potential for physical training was discovered, revolutionizing strength and conditioning. Kettlebells offer a unique blend of strength, endurance, and flexibility training. From enhancing core stability to improving cardiovascular health, they are unmatched in their ability to provide a full body workout. Ideal for high intensity interval training, kettlebells accelerate fat loss while simultaneously sculpting and toning muscles. Discover how integrating kettlebells into your routine can help you achieve your weight loss and muscle building goals faster. What sets kettlebells apart is their unique design. The off-centered weight challenges your body differently, promoting functional strength and correcting imbalances. Learn how to leverage their ergonomics for optimal results. While kettlebells can be transformative, proper technique is crucial to avoid injury. We'll explore common pitfalls and how to overcome them, ensuring your kettlebell journey is both effective and safe. Are you ready to revolutionize your fitness journey? Embrace the power of kettlebells and unlock a new level of strength, endurance, and flexibility. Thank you for watching. Remember, every swing brings you closer to your goals. Keep pushing, keep swinging, and let the kettlebell be your guide to fitness success.